Beginner's Guide to Mureka AI. Now, Mureka AI is an actual platform in which we were generating or we can generate or any specific imaginations that we have or any songs that we have created, turning it into a result. Now, in here, all you have to do first is just, of course, to open up your preferred web browser that you want to use. And on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to Mureka.ai, and if this is going to be the first time that you will try to use this platform, just log in using either your Google Mail, your Discord, or even your Apple ID. Now on this video, I'm going to be using my Google Mail as a set of an example. Now once you have successfully logged in, this is going to be your Mureka dashboard. So as you can see, uh, the one that we're currently using right now is the latest version, which is gonna be Mureka V6. Now you can also try to be familiarized with Mureka 01 or the Mureka V5.5. So as you can see, if we are be able to create a song, that's gonna take up to 2 credits, 2 per songs. So right now, we'll just have to be familiarized on this inputs right here. So this is going to be your project page or your workspace. So this is going to be your home, create, library, subscribe, which will be um, purchasing out their premiums or certain edits that we can use not going to be for free. Now, you can also try to invite friends for free credit so we can try to generate a lot of songs. Then here we can try to create a song. Now, you just have to decide or choose whether it's going to be a specific song or an instrumental. Now, let's tackle first on the song. Now, on song part, they have like basic and advanced. And this board right here is going to be your lyrics tab. Now, you can try to enter the song title and then click Write About, which will Mureka AI generate a specific lyrics for you. If you don't want that, then you can just randomly or just change the title to a different one. Now, you can also try to put up your own title and then enter the lyrics that you have personally. So let's just hit on continue. And these 4 options right here is going to be your reference, your vocal, description, and melody ideas. Now, reference is actually a tract in which that's going to be inspiring on the current song that you'd like to create. So create songs inspired by your own reference tracks. Now, on the vocal part is going to be sing your song with any voice you like. So you have like options to, maybe a male, maybe a female, pop, or whatever specific genre that you would like. You can even try your own voice. Now, on the description tab, it describes the music style you're aiming for. Now, melody ideas is going to record a melody idea to kickstart your song, which is actually not for free. This is going to be on a pro plan. Now, let's just hit on continue again. And then here, once everything is sorted out, this is going to be the sign that you tap on create so that it will finalize all and all. So let's just go ahead and tackle reference first. So if you click on a reference tab, it is giving us to upload our own audio or even a YouTube link. Now, as you can see, these options in here has some like a pro plan in which you have to subscribe to their premiums so that you can use this option to upload or share any YouTube link. Now, they also have like a pre-made or default audios that you can try to use from their library. And in here, you can try to, this is going to be the tab that all of the songs from the library that you have used. And then mine is somewhat kind of like a playlist that is already been set up to use specifically. So let's try to choose any TC song right here. Let's just try to listen it first. So let's try this one. Click on use. If you tap on use, then let's proceed on vocal. So again, it's going to be the same setting upload your own audio and then just share any YouTube link. Again, this is not gonna come for free as it is like an indicated as pro plan. But they also have like a setting right here. If you would like to use for a girl, then it has a specific designated or a description on what is that specific sound is gonna come out with. So with this one right here, it has a female pop ethereal voice, and let's try the other thing. So Bruce is like a male R&B silky, so let's try this one. So you can just hover around any other singers right here. They have multiple singers in there. So let's just try to use Bruce. And then let's go ahead on description. Description is actually the mood or the uh, type of genre of your current music that you're creating. So example, that's gonna be for um, pop R&B, and mood is a relaxed, happy, energetic, and inspired. If for vocal gender, just male vocal. Now tap on done, it will automatically generate it. And then melody ideas right here is not gonna come for free. Melody ideas is providing us a specific samples or um, any pre-made sample audios that we can try to listen to depending on the specific genre that we have from the music that we created. Now let's tackle on the title of the song. Now let's choose on random. Then here Mureka AI will provide us a relevant result in which we try to, dig deep on these four options right here. And by the way, please do make sure that all these boxes here are turned on. So if you will turn description on, two of the reference and vocal will be off. So let's just try to change the description at the very end part. Then here you can try to customize your own lyrics. You can try to, highlight it and then just delete or erase it and try to use your own specific lyrics. Now, once everything is done, you just have to click on create and then on basic part. Marika AI is just like providing us a quick review that we have not tackled yet. So basic is just the very or the quickest making of music. So we just head directly to advanced so we can, try to um, accumulate on the specific portions of those options in there. So the music or the song that we just created is actually Whispers on the Shore, which was actually randomly titled as what we click on that option right here. So these are going to be the results of all the settings that we have chose. If you would like to, download it, just click on this three line or even publish it on wherever platform that you want the song to be shared. And that's pretty much it. That's the beginner guide of using Marika AI.